Hi, this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to try out a couple new products. One here I have the Surratt Dewdrop Foundation. I have mine in the color 8. I ordered this off Beautylish when they were having their Memorial Day sale, and I know this is a favorite of Michelle Wong's, and so I wanted to try it. I have a feeling that it's gonna be a little light for, oh, it is spilling out. I have a feeling it's going to be a little light for me, but I wanted to try it anyway because I'll use a brand new concealer as well. So on Beautylish it says experience natural looking coverage with a dewy finish and a luxuriously lightweight feel. It says it's a hydrating finish with dewdrop foundation from Surratt Beauty. The unique delivery system lets you build up to the perfect level of coverage drop by drop, and it says it's from light to medium. So it says to depress the dropper and dispense one onto the back of your hand. Use a dense foundation brush to sweep. I have my IT Cosmetics Heart Foundation brush here. It's a limited edition. So let me go ahead and do drop, drop. And then let's go ahead and give this, let's see, is this gonna, let me bring you in a little closer. Let's see how this is gonna work out. Oh, this color's a little orange for me. A little warm. But I think once I get a tan and get out to the beach some, it might work. I have a feeling if I didn't have all this melasma and hyperpigmentation, I would really like this, but I have so much to cover that I don't know if this is really gonna work for me. Unless I use a ton crap of concealer. I do like how it looks like skin. That's with one layer. Now let's try it with a second. And this time I'll just push it into my hyperpigmentation to see how that works out. Kind of blend that in. I'm gonna bring that down to my neck since the color's not quite right. What do you guys think? I actually like it. I think my friends with drier skin would love this. I really like it, but I'm gonna have to see how it wears. For a light to medium coverage, it's pretty good. So the other item I wanna try out is the First Aid Beauty Bendy Avocado Concealer. And let's see what it says on here. Now I've used this concealer before, but it was a long time ago when they first came out with it, and then I'd forgotten about it, and I remembered it again and decided to go for it. So what this is a flexible second skin concealer that provides buildable weightless coverage with superfood avocado to help and hydrate and nourish your skin. So I have mine in two colors, light for beige sand to light skin, and also in 4 for medium light to medium skin with warm yellow undertones. So the lighter one I'm going to use under my eyes and in the middle of my face. This peach color might help with the discoloration and color correcting. So, but on camera it looks like it's a good match, especially with the Surratt color. And now I'm going to use a damp beauty blender to blend that out. I think that did a pretty good job. I think I probably could have used a lighter color under my eyes, but I don't need it to be super light compared to the rest of my skin. So let me go ahead and do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got the rest of my face on. What do we think? So the Surratt Dewdrops, it's a little light for my taste, but that's because I have the hyperpigmentation and melasma. But I think I would love this if I didn't have all of this hyperpigmentation, because then it could just even out my skin tone and I could just put a second layer on where I needed to. But I will continue using this, and it did seem to blend in after a while down into my chest and neck area. So I like this, and I love the First Aid Beauty Bendy Avocado concealers. If you look closely, there's no creasing, no Crepeyness, and with powder it looks great, and I know this will wear well because I've used it before. So there you have it. If you only need light coverage, this is a good one. And if you have dry skin. Okay, well, thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.